तो आज हम स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं चैप्टर 8 क्लास 4 सोशल स्टडीज़। चैप्टर का नाम है द सॉइल ऑफ इंडिया। तो यहाँ पे हम रीडिंग स्टार्ट करने जा रहे हैं। हम टेक्स्ट पे आते हैं। Soil is the topmost layer of the earth. A good portion of the land is covered with soil. Some parts of the earth, for example, deserts, are covered with rocks and sand. Plants cannot grow on rocks. Formation of soil. The formation of soil is a process that takes over hundreds of years. Some of the factors responsible for soil formation are described here. Rain. As rain falls over the mountains, the water brings with it very small rocks and minerals. The process of wearing or grinding down of particles washed away by water is called erosion. These fine rock particles settle down on river beds or land and gradually turn into soil after hundreds of years. Climate. Moisture, rain, and temperature together can break down the rocks and hard surfaces into fine particles. Extreme temperature also affect mountains and rocks. Too much heat leads to expansion and cracking of rocks. When it rains, water gets collected in these cracks, and when temperature goes below freezing point, the frozen water further breaks down the rocks by breaking them further into small pieces. Plants. Roots of plants can also break hard rock into pebbles. The roots penetrate into the cracks and break the rocks. The sediments or pieces of rocks may move around quickly, but it takes hundreds of years to turn them into soil. As the rock breaks into fine pieces, other agents such as temperature, water, and organic materials, animal and plant decaying materials help form soil. Did you know earthworms are called friends of farmers? यहाँ earthworms का मीनिंग है केचुए, यानी केचुए किसानों के मित्र होते हैं. They convert dead leaves and plant remains into rich natural fertilizers by burrowing into the soil. They make it loose, thus allowing air to enter the soil. This makes the soil more fertile. Soil profile. The soil profile can be defined as a vertical arrangement of the soil from the bottom surface downward to where the soil meets the underlying rock. Soil is found in layers. There are four main layers of soil: topsoil, subsoil, parent rock, and bedrock. Each layer is of a different color, texture, and different chemical composition. Each layer has its own characteristics, and these characteristics play a very significant role in determining the uses of the soil. Types of soil. These are different types of soils. There are different types of soils. Let us learn them one by one. Alluvial soil. Alluvial soil is formed when rivers deposit silt among their banks. This soil is very fertile. It is found in the northern and the coastal plains of India. Rice, wheat, jute, and vegetables grow well in this soil. यहाँ आप एलुवियल सॉइल की एक पिक्चर देख सकते हैं और समझ सकते हैं कि देखने में कैसी होती है। डिड यू नो? क्या आप जानते हैं? According to their age, alluvial soils can be classified as old alluvial, Bangar, or new alluvial, Khadar. The Bangar soil has a higher concentration of conker nodules than Khadar. It has more fine particles and is more fertile. Black soil यानी कि काली मिट्टी. Black soil is black in color. It has been formed from lava rocks. That is why it is called black lava soil. It is mostly found in Maharashtra, Gujarat, and Madhya Pradesh. Black soil can hold a large amount of moisture. This quality makes the soil suitable for growing cotton, sugarcane, wheat, and oilseeds. Ponder over which crops are grown in your state. यानी कि कौन सी फसलें आपके राज्य में उगती हैं. What type of soil is found in your state? और आपके राज्य में किस प्रकार की मिट्टी पाई जाती है, ये आपको खुद से पता करके बताना है अपने राज्य के अनुसार. Red soil. Red soil is less fertile. It is red in color. If fertilizers are added, then cotton, wheat, rice, millets, and pulses can be grown in it. Red soil is found in parts of Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Jharkhand, and the northeastern states. Red soil is less fertile. लाल मिट्टी कम उपजाऊ होती है. इट इज़ रेड इन कलर. ये लाल रंग की होती है. इफ़ फर्टिलाइजर्स आर एडेड देन, अगर इनमें उर्वरक मिलाए जाते हैं तो कॉटन, व्हीट, राइस, मिलेट्स, रुई, गेहूँ, चावल और मोटे अनाज एंड पल्सेस, दालें, कैन बी ग्रोन इन इट, इसमें उगाई जा सकती हैं. रेड सॉइल इज़ फाउंड इन पार्ट्स ऑफ तमिलनाडु. ये लाल मिट्टी तमिलनाडु, कर्नाटक, महाराष्ट्र, आंध्र प्रदेश, तेलंगाना, मध्य प्रदेश, छत्तीसगढ़, उड़ीसा, झारखंड और उत्तर पूर्वी राज्यों में पाई जाती है. Laterite soil. Laterite soil forms when minerals are washed away from the soil due to heavy rainfall. When this soil is properly manured, it can be used to grow tea, coffee, rubber, coconut, and fruits. It is found in parts of Maharashtra, Karnataka, Kerala, Telangana, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, West Bengal, Assam, and Meghalaya. लैटराइट मिट्टी. लैटराइट मिट्टी तब बनती है जब खनिज मिट्टी से धुल जाते हैं भारी वर्षा के कारण. जब इस मिट्टी को अच्छी तरीके से खाद दी जाती है तो इसे चाय, कॉफ़ी, रबर, नारियल और फलों को उगाने में प्रयोग किया जा सकता है. ये महाराष्ट्र, कर्नाटक, केरल, तेलंगाना, उड़ीसा, छत्तीसगढ़, पश्चिम बंगाल, असम और मेघालय के कुछ हिस्सों में पाई जाती है। चिली सेल्फ